Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Valorant master boost record detected error by enabling HVCI and Secure Boot.
Fix 1. Enable Secure Boot. Main fix. Step 1. Restart PC. Enter BOS/UEFI del/F2/F10/escape. Step 2. Go to Boot or Security tab. Step 3. Set boot mode equals UEFI. Step 4. Disable CSM/legacy boot. Step 5. Enable Secure Boot, save, and exit. Fix 2. Enable HVCI, memory integrity. Step 1. Open Windows Security. Step 2. Go to Device Security. Step 3. Click Core Isolation Details. Step 4. Turn Memory Integrity, HVCI on. Step 5. Restart PC. Fix 3. Update BIOS and TPM. Step 1. Check motherboard model. Step 2. Update to latest BIOS version. Step 3. Enable TPM2 0/FTPM/PTT in BIOS. Fix 4. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. Step 1. Uninstall Riot Vanguard. Step 2. Restart PC. Step 3. Launch Valorant. Vanguard auto installs. Step 4. Restart again.